Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the stenotypist examination. The speed of this passage is 80 words per minute with fluctuation. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. In the Central Administrative Tribunal, the original application filed by a government employee challenging a departmental disciplinary proceeding was listed for final hearing full stop. Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that the impugned penalty order had been passed in violation of statutory service rules and principles of natural justice full stop. It was argued that the inquiry officer had relied upon documents that were never supplied to the applicant and that the findings were based on assumptions rather than legally admissible evidence full stop. The applicant contended that the disciplinary action was arbitrary, disproportionate, and motivated by personal bias full stop. The applicant's counsel emphasized that the charge memorandum contained vague and ambiguous allegations without specifying dates, transactions, or precise acts of misconduct full stop. It was argued that absence of clear particulars prevented the applicant from preparing an effective defense and thereby vitiated the entire inquiry process full stop. Further, it was submitted that key defense witnesses had been denied permission to testify without any recorded reasons, depriving the applicant of a fair opportunity to rebut the allegations full stop stanza. The court was urged to set aside the proceedings on grounds of procedural irregularity and violation of fair hearing requirements full stop. On the other hand, learned counsel representing the department opposed the application and contended that the inquiry had been conducted strictly in accordance with service rules and established procedures full stop. It was submitted that the applicant had been granted adequate opportunity to submit written explanations, cross-examine witnesses, and present documentary evidence full stop. The department maintained that the findings of the inquiry officer were supported by substantial material demonstrating dereliction of duty and financial irregularities full stop. According to the department, the penalty imposed was proportionate to the gravity of misconduct and necessary to maintain institutional discipline full stop. During the course of arguments, the tribunal examined the inquiry report to determine whether conclusions were supported by independent reasoning or merely reproduced the allegations contained in the charge memorandum full stop. Counsel for the applicant pointed out that several findings lacked reference to specific evidence and appeared to be based on conjecture full stop. The department argued that disciplinary proceedings were not bound by strict rules of criminal evidence, that a preponderance of probability was sufficient to establish misconduct full stop. The tribunal observed that even in departmental inquiries, findings must be based on reliable material and reasoned analysis full stop stanza. Another issue raised concerned the delay in initiation and completion of disciplinary proceedings full stop. The applicant submitted that the alleged incidents had occurred several years earlier and that the unexplained delay had caused serious prejudice by making it difficult to locate witnesses and relevant records full stop. The department contended that the delay resulted from administrative complexities and ongoing audits uncovering irregularities over time full stop. The tribunal noted that prolonged delay could undermine fairness and credibility of proceedings but required assessment of whether actual prejudice had been demonstrated by the applicant full stop. Arguments were also advanced regarding the role of the disciplinary authority in imposing the final penalty full stop. The applicant contended that the authority had failed to independently evaluate the evidence and had mechanically accepted the inquiry officer's findings full stop.